Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. We have another subscription box, and this is by far my kid's favorite video to do. My little boy loves being in this video. Little girl decided she wanted to be in the video this time, so no big deal. But we have another subscription box from Barrel and Blade Tactical Outfitters. I'll put a link down below to their subscription box. We've opened this before. You liked what was in the last one, didn't you? You get a hatchet and stuff like that before?
No, you got the hatchet.
I got the hatchet out of it.
I got the box.
You got the box. So, she's won some out of this one, so we're going to open it up and see what's inside for you guys.
And I only have 2 knives. I hope there's another knife in there.
Oh, wow.
That's sharp.
Yeah. There we go.
That's a good knife. Is there any more tape I need to cut?
Alright, so we're going to open it up this way so we can see it from the camera.
Ooh.
Ooh.
What are these? This.
What does it say? Turn it up so you can see.
Oh. Okay.
What does it say? It says Gun Boss AR15. Hold on.
I guess that's for cleaning.
Yeah, so what it says AR15 clean tool. So that's to clean our ARs.
I don't have an AR, so I don't think I need that.
Daddy does. Yes. Alright.
What is that?
So this is.
I don't know what that is.
This is a tactical vest.
Ooh, can I have it?
So what's this?
Also, so this is a tactical vest. Cool. It's like it's got maybe it's an AR-15 magazine. So you put your AR-15 magazine holders in there.
I think this is something that you can put on your face.
Let's see what this is. Protects against wind. Yeah.
I like that.
Cool.
What is it?
We have an AR-15 multi-tool in here. That's got some weight to it. That's nice.
Ooh.
That's got your
I don't know what
sheath
this
to
is.
it. It's got sockets, side adjustment.
I might just have to snag that because I gave mine to mommy.
Yeah. What is this? Carry tool. Is an AK carry tool. Nice. What else do we have? Anything else?
Alright.
Do we get everything?
Yep.
Awesome. So I'll put a list down below of everything that was included in it, and we kind of rushed through this a little bit. Kids were kind of grabbing everything. But looks like a very cool setup. I like the whole carry here looks nice. It's got the magazine holders already set up for you, so something you can set up like a grab and go kit. Nice.
Daddy,
We
can
also
I
got
have
this,
this
which it's kind of like a mask. It protects the sun, the wind, insects, the cold,
Yeah.
and a few other things.
Nice.
Put it on your wrist. Put
Yeah,
it on
but so
your
you can
face,
run it as like
head.
a head, face, neck. It's a whole bunch of things you can do to protect yourself from it. So make it as a beanie hat too. Ponytail, do-rag, shemagh.
Pirate.
Yep, face shield. Very nice.
I like that one.
The pirate one, you like the pirate one? Cool. So, like I said, I'll put a link down below for you guys to go check out the subscription box. I think these are really cool to get. It's kind of like Christmas when you open these things up, you don't know what you're going to get. So, I appreciate you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder with the right gear and the right training. You guys want to say anything before you go?
Bye-bye. I love you.
You want to cut that? You better cut the mask.
Okay, can I have that knife since I gave mine to mommy?
No.
Oh.
This how we put it on?
I believe it's on backwards, dear.
I was on the right way the first time.
I think this would be
There
the
you
easiest way.
Looks a little big on you.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
I'll go into it though.
There you go.
This is like the easiest
Like a
way.
face shield.
Ooh.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Alright.